There's a new AI code editor out there which does really good job at replicating websites, or in fact creating new websites. Just have a look at this website. I cloned Cursor website, and in fact it fetched all of these images from Cursor website. You can see this is an image. Not only images, it actually fetched the GIFs and the video files as well. Similarly, it replicated this website and created this really high quality website, and it recreated all of these different components and fetched all of these different images inside those components. The name of this AI code editor is Orchids, Orchids.app. You can access it from the link in description. So this tool looks more like lovable.dev, but it does a really good job at replicating an existing website. So in this video, we're going to try to replicate different kind of websites, and we'll see that how it performs. So before we start, please subscribe to this YouTube channel and click on that like button as well. And also, if you're not following me on X, please just go ahead and follow me on X. Alright, so to start using this tool, you can just go to orchids.app. So orchids.app. Just go to this URL. After that, you can simply just sign up, and this tool is right now free to start. You can start using this tool absolutely for free. And in here, you can just find some of these like sample projects. So there is this web apps, there is this portfolio websites section, then there's this landing pages. So let's just explore different kind of like websites and landing pages that people have created. So look at this. This is really nice website. This is really amazing website that someone has just created. Then there is this website as well. This one is really good as well. So that means we can create some like really nice looking, not AI looking, some nice looking websites. Because if you have been developing websites using AI, you know that there is a certain kind of like AI look that all of these AI code editors actually create. But this tool actually creates a really unique look, which is really good. So in fact, we can create this kind of like portfolio websites as well. So let's just go ahead and try to replicate any of these websites and try to like recreate something. Or if you just have any other like reference, you can just provide that reference as well. So let's just try to replicate this website, let's suppose. So I'll just copy this URL from here. After that, I can just go to Orchids. I can simply just press on this clone button. After that, I can just provide this clone URL. After that, I'll press send. I can also attach screenshot of any sort of like website, and it can actually try to like recreate that screenshot, but it will not actually get too much details from that screenshot, because when it comes to like recreating a screenshot or maybe a website from a screenshot, it can make a lot of mistakes in like getting the fonts right and then fetching those images. So in here, what it can do, it can actually download all of these images and all of these fonts and then reuse them in the website that it is creating. So this is like really a unique approach. Right now you can see it has downloaded 7 different assets. That means it has downloaded like these different images and these different like videos from this website. Also, it has like got all of the content, the text content as well from this website, which is amazing. And now it is working to like create its own version. So let's just wait for it to finish. Okay, so this is what it has created in this first iteration. I can see it has like got all of these images right. It has created this section as well as it is, and then this section as well. But one thing that it is missing is an image on this hero section. So let's just go back and see. So this is the image that it is missing. It has got this image right, and then this image right, but it is missing that main image. I think it used this image in this section. But yeah, now you can actually give it a prompt again and then ask it to like add image in the hero section, and then ask it to like further customize it. Even you can just go ahead and download this source code, and then you can just like open it inside Cursor or Windsurf or Tray, and then further customize this website from here. But yeah, it just gives you like a really good base. And once you are done customizing your website, you can simply just click on this publish website button, and then you can simply just publish this website on Vercel. So it will deploy your website on Vercel, and then it will give you a URL with that .vercel.com subdomain. You can use your own domain name as well if you have, but by default it will just like give you a default Vercel domain name. So yeah, this tool is very similar to Lovable and Bold.new. But what it does unique is it downloads all of the assets from a reference website, then it copies all of the different components from the other website. This is something that Bold.new and Lovable.dev cannot do. They just like try to recreate everything, but this tool actually does a really good job if you have to like replicate a website. So I hope you really like this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I see you next video. Bye bye.